How to add clickable links in an image using Canva. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert clickable links into your image designs in Canva and export them as interactive PDFs for use online or in emails. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over and open your Canva project, and then you can upload any image you want, or you can also select elements and just drop them over here. And if you wish to add a link to this image, what you're going to do is, first of all, you can just do it using two methods. So you can just click on Ctrl+K, and once you do so, you'll be redirected to something like this. Or if that doesn't work for you, you can simply click on this image, right click on it, and then click on link, and then you're going to paste the link over here. For this example, we're going to use the domain name of canva.com. So I'm going to type in canva.com, press enter, and now you can see that an image link has been added to this image. So whenever someone clicks on this image, they will be redirected to canva.com. So in order to export this is really important that you're going to export it as a PDF, because images are not really clickable and JPEG files are not clickable. So you're going to click on share, and once you do so, you're going to click on see all, and then you're going to download it as a PDF. So you can simply search for PDF and then just simply download it. And once you do so, you'll notice that whenever you click on this image, you will be redirected to canva.com. And similarly, you can do that for various links. So that was how you can add clickable links in an image using Canva. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.